How to fix Facebook post limit. Hello everybody. To address the Facebook post limit, you may follow up this step. So first thing is check for notifications and follow instructions. So you may head over the notification tab, and once you are there, if you have the post limit notification, if you have received a notification regarding restriction or limit, carefully review the message for specific instructions and how to resolve the issue. The next thing is you need to ensure your posts and activities comply with Facebook community standards, because that may be the reason you have a limit now. If you believe restriction was placed on your account unfairly, you can appeal the decision. For that, you may head over to the top menu and then go over to this help and support. After that, you may go to report a problem, or you may also inbox or help center them. Apart from that, there is another option. So for that, you may head over to settings, and after opening up settings, after that, scroll down and head over to the option called post. Tap on it. After that, if you have set limit on who can see your future post, so tap on it. You may just select the option public if you want everyone to see your future post, depending upon your interest. And then we also have limit who can see past post. Tap on view, and then you may just go ahead and choose to limit your past post, or you may fix that. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to fix post limit on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.